I'm Dougie. Today I want to start out by saying this is not a paid promotional video. The guys down at Valvomax, Houston, Texas, America, sent us a demo kit of their clean oil change system, and we're going to try it out, give you the truth on what it actually is. So like I said, they sent us the kit. The first thing, the most important part of this whole system is the valve, the one-way valve that goes on your oil pan. Apparently these are application specific. So if you go to their website, you can put in your model and they'll send you the right thread type, hopefully. We'll see. I don't know what kind of material this is. I'll find out and put it in the comments or the thing below. So pretty good. Thread's going pretty good. I like that. That's good build quality there. This is the other part of it. So this actually would appear
like your drain tube?
Yeah, so this is the drain tube that goes into the bag we're about to show, but this is what actually engages. There's a ball valve in there, a check valve. So this engages that.
Opens it up.
Yeah, it opens it up.
Does it make it a good seal? I mean, there's a rubber gasket on it.
There is a rubber gasket. It doesn't appear, well, this one doesn't make contact with that. There's no rubber gasket there, but there is a gasket there. So we'll see how that works.
Okay.
Because the magic of this is if it's actually like a white glove oil change. It doesn't add a whole lot if it's not clean. So it does come with a sticker. So if you forget when you're supposed to change your oil, that helps. So it's kind of like
you get a bunch of them in there because it needs to be more than one.
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that.
Look in the back. Was there some more in there? No, on the back of that.
The back of that.
On what's in your hand? Thought I saw some more.
I don't see any.
Okay.
Freaking idiot! In the second package, it's got the rest of the system that actually takes the oil out of the truck. So this is an oil slick dipstick wiper. No rag needed, check your oil anytime, anywhere. Lasts up to 500 dipstick wipes. It's pretty cool. Let's see what this is all about. Probably should have had a knife, huh?
Yeah.
So just your standard worm gear clamp. Oh, I like that. So it's just felt and some foam that you put your dipstick in there and wipe it along that. I like that. That's good quality. I could absolutely imagine that would last more than 500.
There's a joke there.
Dude. All right, this is impressive. So I'm guessing just by the weight and the feel of it, it's machined aluminum. But your little guy goes in there.
For storage?
Yeah, for storage. So then that would, wherever you want it, like I would guess on your oil dipstick tube, but you could put it anywhere. It does have the logo on there, so you know what it's for. That's a great idea. I like that. The threads are good. That's good quality there. And then, so 10 disposable funnels. So toolbox, glove box, whatever. That's pretty cool because I can't tell you how many times I've cut a water bottle or just said send it and poured oil all over the place and I'm smoking going down the road. And so this is the bag. Let's see what 10-liter bag. So an American, I'm guessing that's somewhere around 10 quarts. I don't know. I guess I kind of got to gig them on that too. Like,
I like math.
this is America. All right, so this is the bag. This little guy, the oil drain bag valve. It connects to it. I'm guessing this probably stops the flow of the oil. We'll see. Pretty good. It's plastic, but I mean, it really doesn't have to stand up to a whole lot. So there's your system. Pretty cool, compact. I mean, you can fit that in your toolbox pretty easy. Let's go over here and install the valve.
Ooh, that's not a good sign. That's a weird color of oil out there.
So, the reason why this motor got pulled was twofold. First, it's got a blown head gasket, which is evidenced by all of the water coming out. Two, the truck sat up for God knows how long. Three, I said twofold, I meant threefold. We're doing an LS swap on this truck, so a little V6 doesn't really fit our needs. I was looking on the website and I found one thing that kind of boggled me. This is an American company, like I said, Houston, Texas, USA, God's country, but they use German torque measurements. Apparently the torque measurement for this, the correct one, is good and tight. All right, let me. All right, so. I'm trying to get the corners out.
You are full of hot air.
All right. So we've got our little dipstick deal. I'm not going to install it because everybody knows how a worm gear clamp works, right? All right, so we pull this out, lay that guy in there. Oh, that's legit. Okay. Yeah, I can see how that'll work for 500. And you also see, like, that's some definitely blown head gasket. That's mud full. All right. That works as advertised. I mean, I don't know how you can screw that up. That's good quality. Oh, and it's magnetic on the bottom. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that works as advertised. I like that. Like, even if the rest of it doesn't work, I think I'm probably going to put that on my truck. Let's buy one for Jim's. Now, for the meat and potatoes. Turn this bad boy around. All right. So we torque that down. So no mess there. I like that. All right, so we start by attaching the valve and attaching the hose. Pretty easy. So it says push in, turn counterclockwise, and then attach down here. All right.
So the god awful oil.
Yeah.
There's no oil yet.
We don't have any leaks though. This is after you install the valve, like the bolt. Once you replace the drain bolt, this truly is pretty mess free. I mean, no leaks here. Well, we stopped it. Okay, that's a cool little feature. So if this bag is getting full and you have to pull that off, this stops the flow. Then it starts right back. There we go. All right, I can dig it. There we go. Now we're getting to the oil, starting to. Yeah, this motor was junk. Let's see the takeoff. Since there's still oil in there, obviously. We still have flow. Like 2 drops. It's dropping a little bit. But, yeah, it stopped. Once you figure out where the threads are. Got that gasket. I mean, it's pretty well done. There's no oil in there. I think that's just coated. Let's see. Yeah, that's coated. So all the oil from here drained into there. We stopped that. So we can take this little guy off. Now we can take this to the auto parts store. So let's give this guy a test. Let's see if we have any leaks here. A little bit, but I mean, you gotta completely turn it upside down, which is not something that you'd normally do. Actually, you know what? That might have just been what was in there.
There's a residual in the line, is what it is.
Yeah, that's just residual. There it goes. It stopped. All right. Let me wipe my hands off. We'll meet over here for a little bit of wrap up. The wrap up. I'm digging this product. One, you don't have to worry about rounding off your drain plug, which I have done far too many times that I care to mention. You don't have to worry about whatever bucket you're using, whatever receptacle, dropping your drain plug in there and having to fish in all that oil, pull it out. You don't have to clean up your tools after. Right there, that's worth it to me. The other thing, this is clean. You don't have to worry about, you could throw that in the trunk of your wife's car and she's not going to get pissed and beat you when you get home from the auto parts store recycling that. The dipstick cleaner, the dipstick wipe, they say it's good for 500 wipes, 500 plus. I don't see any reason not to believe that. It's high quality. Everything they have is high quality build. I'm gonna give this our seal of approval. This is gonna get the Truck 180 seal of approval. It's clean enough. It's not white glove, but I think that's probably too much to ask of it. You don't have to worry about if you're off-roading or you're doing something like that. You don't have to worry about the traditional ball valve style, getting caught on something and ripping out your oil pan or the drain plug, leaving you stranded out there. I'm gonna put a link down in the description along with the price and everything. I think that I'm sorry, I know that I'm gonna put this on my truck. Jim, we're gonna put it on your truck, right, too?
Yep.
Okay. I
But
don't
mine's like 13 to 15 quarts or 13 quarts.
Well, I mean, we could stop it, put this into a bucket or something like that. Valvomax, guys down there, Kane, I'm guessing that's how you say your name. Forgive me if I'm wrong. Put something in the comments down below, dude. Let us know if you've got a
different bag size.
Yeah, bigger bag for like diesels and stuff like that. If not, is that something that maybe y'all want to do? Oh, there is one thing that I can gig them on. So one thing, as you grow to know me and Jim over the course of this channel, you're going to learn that I love stickers. If I'm buying something from you, I don't want to have to go back to the store and buy a base model sticker. I don't want to pay to advertise for your company. That is what it is. I like it whenever you put the stickers in the box with, or the bag with the product. I put them on my toolbox. So, tiny gig, but a gig nonetheless. Like, we can't do a review without also putting something bad in there. That's it for today. Like, subscribe. We're going to keep on doing these. Come back and see us.